up, guys? Mike G with the MDG Collections on hand. Today, ladies and gentlemen, another rainy one here in New York. We just can't win. So it rains on Sunday, and then yesterday, Monday, it's fine. No rain, it's sunny. Then the next day, Tuesday, it rains again. Alright guys, so in that video that I did with driving drag radials in the snow, I'll put the card up to that video right now. I highly recommend that you guys don't do anything like that. I do these videos for you guys for test purposes on YouTube, just so you guys don't have to go through this, or if you do get in a situation where you are in that situation, you know, by accident, you kind of know what to expect. Or if you want to try it on your own to be safe, that's on you. But I do these videos with these cars. That's why I daily drive this 392. Whatever I choose to get after this 392, I will do the same thing. I'll daily drive that car, and I'll make it basically very easy for you guys to figure out what these cars can do in every inclement situation, so you don't have to go through it. But I'm trying to make sure you guys have the knowledge on what these cars are capable of in every situation, so it's easy for you. I try to make this channel the instruction guide to what these cars can do. The video instruction guide is pretty much the best way I can put it. And that's pretty much what I try to bring to you guys every single day. All right, and speaking of drag radials, let's get out to see how much wear I have on them right now. Let's go around. All right, so this is what we got. As you can see, the grooves are still pretty much there. Tires look pretty decent. The drags have held up. I haven't done any burnouts on purpose because I did not want to just destroy these tires like this, especially if I'm daily driving this car. You know, I did not want to just do a burnout just for video sakes or video purposes when I know I have to daily drive this car. These tires are way too expensive to just be throwing money away like that. So this is them. This is how they look. Still looking pretty decent. And I can probably get another summer out of these bad boys. So I'll take them off soon, store them, and we'll use them again for next year in 2020. And that is going to do it for this upload. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna be a wrap.